Are you looking for a quality outdoor grill? There are so many different types that you might find the search overwhelming.
In this video, I'll break down 8 types of grills.
First, let's talk about gas grills. A gas grill uses natural gas as fuel source, and you need access to a gas line to install your gas grill. It's quite cheap and especially convenient for those that already have a gas line installed in their home. In outdoor kitchens, built-in grills are quite popular. They're installed inside your lower cabinets, but freestanding grills are an option too. I'll talk about some pros and cons as well. For pros, it doesn't require electricity, it's cheap, it's eco-friendly, it doesn't require tanks or refills, and you won't run out of gas. Now for the cons, it requires professionals to install a new gas line. You also may need a permit to install a new gas line. It's not portable because it has to be hooked up, and it's not as hot as propane. Now talking about propane. Propane grills use propane as fuel source. It is more expensive than natural gas, but burns hotter. Propane gas comes in tanks, so you don't need to worry about an extensive installation. If you want to be able to move your grill around or travel, propane grills are a great option. You are not confined to one space and can bring tanks whenever you want to grill. Now for the pros of propane, it's portable, it doesn't require installation, it burns hotter than gas, it's quite easy to clean, and it doesn't require electricity. But for the cons, it's expensive on a long run, and it requires refills, and you can run out of gas sometimes. A pellet grill is an electric grill that uses pellets as a fuel source. Pellet grills have fire boxes where you add pellets. Most grills have controls that periodically feed the pellets into a grill. As they burn, smoke forms, giving your meats a delicious, smoky flavor. Now for pros, it's easy to use, it's versatile, it's incredible for smoky meats, it's quite environmentally friendly, and it cooks evenly. For cons, it requires pellets for fuel. It requires electricity, and the pellets can deteriorate in humid environments, and it's not really ideal for searing meats. Charcoal grills use charcoal as fuel source. Like pellet grills, they're great for smoky meats. Charcoal grills take some time to light, but if you want a delicious smoky flavor, this grill is for you. The more charcoal you use, the hotter your grill. You can customize your grill setup with ease based on what you're cooking. The more coals you place under the grill grates, the hotter it will get. So you can create a hotter and cooler areas on your grill. This is practical use to ensure that food doesn't burn, or if you want to cook a thick cut of meat and a thin cut of meat, for example. Now for pros, charcoal grills can regulate heat by changing the number of coals used, and it gives meats delicious, authentic smoky flavor. The charcoal can also be reused, and it burns hotter than gas and propane grills. It's great for steaming steaks. You can create hot and cold cooking zones to cook food efficiently. Now for cons, it's unregulated heat, so it's difficult to control. It also takes more time to light than a gas grill. It requires frequent cleaning, and you must add charcoal continuously during long cookouts. Flat-top grills or griddles are either gas or electric grills with a flat griddle. They are most common in commercial kitchens where lots of food is cooked, things like burgers, pancakes, steaks, and the like. Some kitchens feature full-size flat-top grills, others feature side burners that have small griddles. They are convenient if you don't have enough room on your main grill or need to warm up a dish or two before serving. Now for pros, it cooks food evenly. It has a high surface area and little smoke. It's quite healthy because it doesn't require much oil, and it provides entertainment for your guests. It's great for hosting large gatherings and barbecues. It's available full-size or a side burner as well, and it's more versatile than a grill with grates. Now for cons, it requires constant cleaning to prevent heavy grease buildup, and it's not suitable for smoky meats. Now let's talk about Kamado Grills. Kamado Grills are round, ceramic charcoal grills that are portable and easy to use. You might have also heard of Big Green Egg grills, which are the same style. For pros, it's great for searing or smoking steaks. It has a durable ceramic exterior, and it's incredibly safe to use. Some grills feature adjustable grates as well, and it has adjustable vents to control the temperature. For cons, it has a regulated heat, which is difficult to control, it takes more time to light than a gas grill as well, and it has a limited surface area. Now, electric grills are powered by electricity, and all you need to do is plug them in, adjust the settings, and you're ready to cook. They're quite convenient for people who don't have natural gas connections or don't have the time to light charcoal grills. For pros, it has high heat and low smoke. It's great for apartments or small homes. It's quite easy to clean and very easy to use. For cons, it doesn't give meats a smoky flavor. It's small and it's difficult to control the temperature. It's not ideal for searing meats as well. And last, portable grills. Portable grills, as the name suggests, are portable. Some portable grills are propane or charcoal, while others are electric. These grills are a great option if you're going camping or RVing and you want to do some barbecuing. If you are looking for a more permanent option though, look into larger grills. Gas and propane are reliable options. For pros, it's perfect for traveling. It's easy to store and it's great for 1 to 2 people. And as for cons, it has a low heat compared to other grills, It's small, and again, it's not ideal for smoky meats. As you can see, you have a lot of options, but it's important to choose one that fits your cooking style. Hopefully you learn more about what type of grill is best for you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.